Hello, this is Kevin, and I'm going to give a brief introduction to the Nodereference Basket module. It's basically an improved UI for node reference fields, which is especially useful for when you need to make references between nodes in sites with thousands of nodes that could be referenced. So first, we have a node reference field for a content type called page. It's a standard page content type. And I have a field called referenced, and there's just a checkbox when you install this module. It says enable node reference basket, so I'm going to enable it for this content, for this node ref field. And I have only certain content types that can be related, and I'm just saying it's an unlimited number of items that can be added. So my field is done, and I'm just going to create content. And I'll say, this is cool. And here's my standard way of adding stuff, which is sometimes difficult if you have lots of nodes. I'm just going to save that. So now you'll notice I'm viewing, if you're viewing a node that you're allowed to edit and that has a field where the basket's enabled, you'll see this reference basket block. Of course, you have to have this enabled under your admin build blocks first. So I'm going to just start adding things to my basket. So now I'm adding content to wow, this is cool. And this is the field referenced. So if there were multiple CCK node ref fields, there could be multiple chunks. And I see the one that I already added and an option to remove or reorder the basket, and then save changes, which will save everything. So I'm just going to go to the standard node view. This is kind of a silly way to do it, but you'll see I'm going around the site. I see a node that is of interest to me that I want to add to wow, this is cool. And if that node fits into either the node type requirements of the field, or if you're using views to select what kinds of nodes can be selected for a node ref field, as long as the node is referenceable under those rules, you'll see it add as referenced or add as whatever the name of your field is. So I'm just going to add a few more. Cool, I'm going to add that. Now there's also views integration. So this is a silly view that I built, and I just added a field called basket link. And again, if the node that's being viewed is referenceable, it'll just add a link that says add as, and then whatever the name of the field is that's active in the basket. So you can also make kind of overview views for people to browse and sort through lots of content, and they can keep adding stuff to their basket. So now I have a basket of awesome Latin nodes, but I want nulla to be the second one. I can click remove or reorder the basket. And it's reordered. And then I can save changes, and I'm done. So that's the node reference basket.